How to make group tabs in Opera GX. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to make group tabs in Opera GX. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Opera GX application on your device. Now, unlike Google Chrome, you cannot make group tabs in Opera GX. However, there exists a feature called Workspace, which pretty much works the same as groups. So to enable Workspace, tap on the three dots on the bottom left of your screen and further toggle on the button for Workspaces. Now, if you do not have a workspace, then go ahead and create a new workspace by tapping on the Add option. You can now select an emoji for your workspace and also rename your workspace. Once you have made changes to your workspace, tap on the Create button, and with this, your workspace will be set. Now go back and open a workspace and make a search in there. For instance, I will search for google.com. Now right-click on the Google tab you see on the top of your screen and you will see the option for Move Tab to Workspace. Tap on that and further select the workspace you want to move tab to, and as you can see, the tab has been moved to other workspace as a group. So this is how you can make group tabs in Opera GX. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.